Scotch Wall Safe Tape. Matte finished, trusted favorite, designed for displaying 3/4 x 600 inches, 2 Dispensered Rolls, 183 dm2. A tape for every task. With a history of quality for the last 90 years, Scotch Brand is America's most trusted brand of home and office tapes. Our tapes offer a secure hold while still being easy to use. Scotch Brand has a tape to fit every task, helping you to hang, wrap, repair, create, seal and more. Scotch Wall Safe Tape. Scotch Wall Safe Tape. You can tape up your inspiring quotes, decorations, photo collages or art collections without worrying about damaging the wall or the item you're hanging when you use Scotch Wall Safe Tape. Removable adhesive cleanly removes from these surfaces within 30 days. Safe for painted drywall. What surfaces are safe with Wall Safe? Scotch Wall Safe Tape can be used on painted drywall, wood, stainless steel, glass and mirrors. So, go ahead, display old photos, hang up travel plans, or organize your weekly tid dose. Keep what inspires you front and center. Click the link in the description to get this product.